Hi all, I am Gunjan Gupta, your instructor. So today we will cover Java exception try and catch block. Okay, so let's get started. Java exception. When executing Java code, different error occurs. Coding error made by the programmer or error due to wrong input or other errors. Okay, when an error occurs, Java will stop normally. Okay, and generate a error message. Okay, so it will throw an exception. So what we have to do, we have to use Java try and catch block. The try statement allow you to define a block of code to be tested for error while it is being executed. The catch block allow you to define a block of code to be executed if error occurs in a try block. If there is any error, then catch block will execute. Let's see the syntax. Like try block, and then we have a catch exception E and our catch block. Let's see the example. Public class main method we have. Now we are defined with the numbers 1 2 3 numbers are defined in this my number int. Okay, now we are printing the 10th index, but it is not there, then exception will happen. So array index out of bound exception occur. So how you will handle that? We use try and catch block. So try, we have this risky code here, and in catch block we are just printing when something went wrong. Okay, so we will try this and see this error message is something went wrong. So if we use 2, then it will not go to catch block, it will print that value. Okay, so 3, index is 3, so this comes. Okay, like this you can use. And we have a finally statement, lets you execute the code after try. Whatever happens, okay, the finally block is always executed. If you do not forcefully stop your JVM, then it will execute. Okay, Dixie code we have put. If this not work, it will print this line, and this line will always be printed. Okay, so let's check it. So something went wrong, and this value is wrong, 10th index, and this will be executed. Like if you do 2 here, then you see, then this code will work. First try block will work. Okay, so 3 printed, but this will execute. Okay, got my point? And now throw keyword. Throw statement allow you to create a custom error. The throw statement is used together with an exception type. There are many exception types available in Java. Arithmetic, file not found, array index of the wrong, security exception. So let's check this example. So we have a class main, and we have a method static void check int age. If age is less than 18, then this error should be thrown. So how we write? Throw new arithmetic exception, access denied, you must have at least 18 years of old, else access granted, you are old enough. So in the main method we are giving 15 age, so this message should be thrown. Okay, exception in thread mean, see java.len arithmetic is so message defined access denied, you must have at least 18-year-old. Okay, at main this here. So like this we have to define the exception using throw. Okay, if you have 20, then you can also check the access granted. Okay, so like this it will work. Okay, you have one exercise, let's do it. Insert the missing one to handle the error. So we have a try and catch block. Okay, we'll submit it and check, show them, so it's correct. So like this you can use exception handling. Okay, if you have any question, please comment, and please do subscribe my channel, do like my video, do share. Thank you, bye bye.